Hello, good morning. Wanafunzi wa shule ya British wanaendelea na mitihani ya pre-NECTA kwa ajili ya kujiandaa kuikabili NECTA. Hebu fuatana mimi tusikie kila mmoja ana mawazo gani, ameionaje mitihani na amejiandaaje kwa ajili ya kuikabili NECTA. Fuatana nami. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, you were doing exams. How was the exam?
The exam was very easy.
Pre-NECTA, is it?
Yes.
Very easy.
Very easy, sir.
What are you expecting to hit the NECTA exams?
I will accept to finally get A+.
A+.
Yes.
All subjects.
Yes, all subjects.
Physics.
No.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Very fine. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Pierre Amos Kabue, student of British School QTA.
He's called him Pierre. Let us hear about the exams. Okay, how do you see the pre-NECTA exams?
Pre-NECTA exam is good because many questions are solved in the class and the teacher is teaching.
Okay, are you expecting to score 1, 2, or 3?
Don't worry, Professor.
Okay, are you prepared enough to hit the NECTA?
Yes, I prepared. I studied hard.
Thank you. Follow me again. Okay, all of you come here. All of you come here. Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm very fine. You are proceeding with the pre-NECTA exams.
Yes.
Okay. How are these pre-NECTA exams going on?
So far they are going well. We are still studying and we are putting our efforts and dedication.
Okay. Tell the society, are you going to win the NECTA or are you going to fail?
NECTA, it's a must to win.
Must to win.
It's a must to win.
The impossible is possible.
Yes.
Very nice. Basi kama ulivyosikia baadhi ya wanafunzi wa shule ya British, tuna uhakika wanafunzi wetu wanakwenda kufanya vizuri kwenye mitihani ya NECTA. Hatuna shaka kabisa, tunafahamu Mungu yuko pamoja na sisi, hata tuangusha. Karibu British, utimize malengo yako.
The British School, knowledge for skills.